Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel and my eBay sellers account, GB Hatchery. Today we have on the table a 4K projector. This is the Viewsonic PX-747 4K, and I'm going to go right for it. It's that time of year. Spend a little bit of extra money, get something nice. This was our choice this year. So, this is a refurbished unit. I actually got a sweet deal. eBay bucks was 10%, and the cost of the projector, 2019. The cost of the projector, December 2019, $700. eBay bucks brings it down to $620. So for $620 this year, I mean I can see next year, but this year I'm getting a 4K projector. So to anybody that's looking at refurbished from Viewsonic, this is an example of buying something refurbished from Viewsonic. And this was on their eBay store, but it was direct from the factory. So this is looking pretty nice. It's all pretty new looking. Looks like I get a power cord, and this is a VGA cable, not sure what this is, honestly. Yeah, that's VGA. So I'm all HDMI. I'm going to be using this for gaming and entertainment. And now this has the 0.47 inch Texas Instruments 4K pixel shift DLP chip. And that's basically a 1080p chip, but it shifts it around 4 times. And I've heard that this one can display the pixels a little bit more clearly, where the other, they're overlapped so much that it's kind of a jumble. The other one's like a 0.67, and it's a higher resolution. It's like 1500 by 2500 or so. Don't quote me exactly, but it just goes diagonal, once here, once here. This one is 1080p, but it goes here, 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 here. So 4 times. Some people say the contrast is better on the other, but I decided to go this route. This Viewsonic houses it the cheapest from what I've seen, and even further reducing the price, I got it refurbished. So I'm going to get it out, test it out, see how it works, and I might just go ahead and compare it to my wonderful HD142X. That's an Optoma product, and put them side by side maybe, or just switch them out, and we can see if there's an improvement. They all have the Texas Instruments chips inside them, so they're a little bit interchangeable with some of the other projectors on the market. This looks like it still has plastic on this this power switch, so I hope that that's the only reason they sent it back. I'm not sure if it was sent back or if they just wanted to sell it to me to be nice. It's possible they were just in a good mood and they just wanted to send one out and say, you know, we can't sell this for $700 and say there's nothing wrong with it. We better say something, just so somebody who really would like to save some money and may not have the disposable income to smartly spend $700, $800, $900. I can do $700. Get it down to $620. I was pretty pleased with that. So they're getting as much as $1,200, $1,300 for them. Hopefully there's no time on this. There may be some hours on it. I don't know. But we'll get it going here. I'm going to turn it on and see what she can do. Okay, so now I got it plugged in, and HDMI ran into it, and PS4 playing the 4K content on YouTube. And I pulled up the light source menu, and it looks like I have 10 hours on this machine. So 8 hours of eco and 2 hours of normal. But I gotta say, initial impression is yes, it is sharper. And yes, it's sharp like a 4K TV, because I own a 4K TV. I think I might have some dust, because I painted this, it's been a little while since I painted Okay, so here we are real quick for a size comparison. Here's my 1080p projector. This is the Optoma HD142X, 3D capable. You have to have the emitter. And this is a workhorse. I've been using this today and I was really enjoying it. And next to the Viewsonic. The Viewsonic's a little bit heavier, actually. And it's about 13 inches long by about 10 wide and maybe 5 inches tall. So that's in comparison to 12 and a half by 9 and by 4. And bigger is not always better. The Viewsonic is actually pretty compact compared to some of the other 4K projectors. One neat thing that kind of messed with me a little bit is I was trying to set up the keystone and I couldn't find it in the menu. And then I looked it up online and there was definitely a keystone. So looking at the top of the projector, there's actually a button that you can always press. There's sound here and here and keystone there and there. And this is the menu button. That's enter. This is the source. This says blank. And so I think I'm going to do a quick comparison. And I'm going to show the way they look from distance, and then I'm going to zoom in to about a 12-inch area and show up close so you can see for yourself how much of a difference this actually makes. So the Viewsonic's working out really well. It's very bright. This is with the lights on, as you can see. It's not too washed out. I'm using a painted background. I have a YouTube video about how I do that, so I'll leave a link in the description of that. I have a 300 watt equivalent bulb here just about 6 or 8 feet away from the projection wall, and you can still see during the daytime. So that's really nice. It's bright enough. Of course, it has a brand new bulb, so that helps. Like any new 4K projector owner, I'm up way past my bedtime, just for a size comparison. But I wanted to let you know about my eBay store, GB Hatchery. I will leave a link in the description as always. And as always, like and subscribe to the channel. I make all kinds of different videos. You can always check in from time to time, see what I'm doing. Hope you liked the video again. Thanks for watching, and you will see me in the next one.